Next, a die is thrown. The probability of getting a multiple of 3 is. Now what is a die? This is a dice. Means singular is dice and multiple is die. So it's used Ludos, all snakes and ladders, everything, all that. How many faces does this die have? 6 faces. How many numbers are there on each face? 1, there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only up to 6. There can be a 7 number on a die, right? If you, there is one peculiarity about this die. If you total the front edge or top edge and the bottom edge of any side, you will get the total as 7, right? This is 6, so the on the opposite face it will be 1, right? That logic. We want probability. The formula for probability is required options upon total options. So what are the total options when you throw a die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any number can be, we can get it. But required is what? Getting a multiple of 3. You want a multiple of 3. Which are the multiples of 3 from this? 3 and 6. So 3 comma 6. So probability equals to required how many? 2. Right? Total how many? 6. So 2 upon 6, that is 1 by 3. Okay. Importance of probability is, main point about it is, it can't be greater than 1 and it can't be less than 0. Okay. You will learn this in 9th. Next 3 questions are combined based on this histogram. Now what is this histogram? It's a bar graph which are attached. Okay. See here, there is a difference between histogram and a bar chart. In histogram all of them are attached. Bar chart they are separate. Okay. The histogram representing the marks obtained by 60 students in a science exam. Means this is a histogram, it shows marks obtained in science exam. Answer the questions from 4 to 6. Okay. Quite easy ones. What is the total number of students who obtained more than or equal to 70 marks in the exam? See here, 70. So, see here, 70 or more. So, this is a 70 mark. Don't take this top level. 70 starts from here. So, count from this histogram. Okay. So, that is 11. Then next is what? 8. And then next is what? 3. Right? 11 plus 8 plus 3. Okay. If minimum marks for passing was 50, how many of the students failed? See this, minimum 50 is over here. So go back. So this line it goes up to 7 and this line it goes up to 2. So that is 7 plus 2, that is 9 students fail. How many students were awarded merit if minimum marks required for it is 80? So go ahead of 80 now. 80 is over here. This is 80. So count this line. That is what? 8. And count this line. That is what? 3. Right? So 8 plus 3, 11. 11 students got merit. Okay? Quite easy. Histograms are very easy. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos from Play Store to get these videos, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that.